Welcome! Are you excited for a fun learning session? I am Teacher Lean, and our discussion is all about solutions. Here are the following objectives for our discussion. Define solution and distinguish it from other types of mixtures. Name and distinguish the two components of a solution and explain their differences. Identify the individual factors affecting solubility. Solution is a homogeneous mixture that is formed when a substance is dissolved in another substance. Now, let me show you examples of a solution that we can observe in our surrounding. Flavored water, coffee, soda or soft drinks. These are the components of a solution. First is the solvent, a substance that dissolves another substance. Next, we have solute, a substance dissolved in another substance. Let me give you an example. We have the salt, which is the solute, and we will add it in water, which is the solvent. The product will be the salt solution. We have three types of solutions: dilute solution, concentrated solution, and saturated solution. Dilute solution is a solution that has a small amount of solute in a large amount of solvent. Concentrated solution has a large amount of solute in a small amount of solvent. And saturated solution has the maximum amount of solute at a given temperature. In learning the solutions, it's also important to know the solubility of a substance. Solubility is a measure of how easily a solute will dissolve in a solvent. There are components of a mixture with high solubility, while other substances have a low solubility. High solubility, the particles dissolve quickly in the solvent. Low solubility, the particles does not dissolve quickly in the solvent. Solubility of a substance is highly dependent on some factors. These conditions primarily affects how a solute dissolves at a faster rate, and also provide us understanding on the mechanism of solubility. The following are the factors of solubility. Size of the particles, temperature of the solvent, nature of the solute and solvent, stirring. One of the four factors that affect solubility is the size of the particles. Smaller particles of solute dissolves at a higher rate as compared to the large-sized solute particles. The rate of solubility of a solute is directly proportional with the temperature of the solvent. Take note of this. Warmer solvent, faster rate of solubility. Cooler solvent, slower rate of solubility. Another factor that affects solubility is the nature of both the solute and the solvent. The solubility of a substance and even the rate of dissolving greatly relies on the nature of both components. The ability of a certain solvent in dissolving various solute depends on its polarity. And the last factor that affects the rate of solubility of a substance is constant stirring of the mixture. Through this action, the rate of solubility increases, and it also distributes the solute particles throughout the solvent. In conclusion, the rate of solubility depends on many factors. The rate of dissolving a solute in a given amount of solvent is at a higher rate when the solute and the solvent are stirred, solvent is warm, and solute are in smaller particle size. That would be all for today. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.